Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present platformer game concept entitled Sky Jumper the game. And our participant is Naufal Apta Rizky Gatfan, Ahsani Taufik Hawarizmi, Muhammad Bagasraya, and me, Brilliant Heart.
So let's start with a brief overview of the game. Skyjumper is a two-dimensional platform adventure game designed for PC. The game utilizes a classic side-scrolling perspective. The core loop is simple yet engaging. Players must run, jump, navigate through various obstacles, and collect gems to activate portals to progress. Now let's look at the narratives. The story follows a young explorer who gets trapped in a mysterious sky world after a storm. The main objective is to restore balance to this world. To do that, the player must explore floating sky islands and collect five elemental gems scattered across the map.
In terms of mechanic, we focus on fluid movement. The primary action are running, jumping, and picking up items. We also introduce power-ups such as the high jump, which allow play to reach elevate platform. To make the game fair, we include a checkpoint system. If a player falls or get hit, they respawn at the last checkpoint or they touch. Moving on the formal rules or of the game, the win condition is simple. Collect all gems in the level and reach the final portal. And the lose condition, the player lose if they lose all three life or fall into ravens below the screen. And the last, the scoring, the final score is calculated based on the total number of the games collect.
For the level design, we create three distinct levels that gradually increase in difficulty. Players will face conflicts in the form of environmental obstacles like moving platforms, traps, and chasms. We also added antagonists such as small bird-like or slime enemies that patrol back and forth to block your path. Next. Technically, the game was built using the Unity engine with C scripting. The control scheme is intuitive. Players use the left and right arrow keys for movement and the spacebar for jumping.
Why Skyjumper is fun? So there is a flow zone that maintains a balance between fun and challenge to keep players engaged. Freedom of gameplay. Players can explore for the fastest route or focus on collecting every gem for maximum points. The key features, unique skyward environment, responsive controls, and rewarding collectible hunting. So this is our game display. The main challenge is the slime monster. If you collide with it, you lose one life. If you lose all three life, it's game over. Players can press play again to restart the game. And the next is the power-up features. By picking up the item, the character gains a high jump to jump higher and reach the upper platform. To avoid player frustration, there is a checkpoint system. When you touch this icon, your position is safe. So if you are hit by an enemy or fall, your character will respawn at the checkpoint without having to start over from the beginning. The ultimate goal is to collect all the games and reach the end of the level. When you touch the portal, the level is complete and you are ready to move on the next level. So that's all for our presentation about Skyjumper game. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.